Hello there guys, it's Adam here from Southport Automart. Just here to show you around this lovely low mileage example of a Vauxhall Corsa that has just landed with us. 2016 on a 16 reg. Been brilliantly maintained both cosmetically and mechanically. No noticeable scuffs or marks on the bodywork. Wheels seem to be in fine condition. Live price currently at 7,465. I will tell you the exact mileage in just a second once we get inside the car. Car at this point has only been with us a couple of days. Fabric interior with a contrasting print in the middle of the seats. Isofix anchorage points there as well. Nice specification for a Corsa. Obviously we've got rear parking sensors, a nice spacious boot for a small hatchback. Just part exchanged in from our award-winning Honda dealership, which you can just see over there. So the car is currently covered 32,192 miles at present. Lovely multifunction steering wheel. Vauxhall's IntelliLink infotainment system. We've got our lighting control down there, wipers, indicator stalks, cruise control and voice control as well features in this car. It is a 5-speed manual. Fantastic specification, including heated seats for both driver and passenger. We've got a heated steering wheel as well, which will obviously benefit somebody for these upcoming winter months. If we just click on the source button there on the radio, obviously we've got DAB. We have phone projection as well, so you can mirror your phone screen to the car, phone connection, media streaming. Obviously, like I say, you've got your heated seats there. Plenty of paperwork and invoices for the vehicle. So if we just... There's a service book in here somewhere. In the owner's manual, but you've got all your invoices for the services here. So it had its first year service in 2000 and where are we there? 24,934 miles. We've got a service there. We've got another one at 7,334. Like I say, the car's only covered 32,000. But every single maintenance job, every single piece of work that the car has had carried out is detailed here as well in the form of a paper trail. We have got a stamped service book for the car. I think the technicians may still have it, as they've been currently preparing the car. You've got another service here as well at 15,258 at Vauxhall. Another one at 30,932. So it's all done by Vauxhall dealerships as well. So who better to service your car rather than the people who made it? If you are interested in this car, please do give us a call. The easiest way to do that is on 01704 332 415, where we can assist with finance quotations or part exchange valuations. The car is ready for immediate purchase. We do have extension warranty options available as well. All our cars come with a minimum 6-month MOT and an oil and filter service if required. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, bye bye.